Hello, welcome to Real Deal Housing. I am your host Riddhi Jain and today I am standing in front of a Jodi apartment. This apartment is situated at the heart of Andheri West in RTO Lane. Now let's take a look at the door of this apartment. How beautifully designed it is. On the right hand side we get a shoe rack, a lot of storage space so you can keep all of your shoes inside. Not just one, but two. This apartment is total almost 1300 square foot carpet area along with 3 parkings. As I said, this is a Jodi apartment. The two BHKs of 645 were merged together to give us this huge apartment. This apartment has 4 bedrooms and 1 huge living room and a kitchen. This house embodies traditional charm and modern elegance, and the living room is no different. It is designed for both comfort and style. And this space provides a sense of openness because of these huge French windows. It provides a lot of light to flood inside the room and gives airy and bright atmosphere. Look at this beautiful view. As we can see standing from here, there is the Fun Cinema. Here we have very known Adani Society, and this is the Metro Depot. As we walk inside our living area, here you can see we have very comfortable sofas with a high quality material. Along with that, a complimentary coffee table made up of glass, and the rug just makes it more aesthetically pleasing. Now I'm gonna show you these walls, how beautifully structured they are. And here on my right side we have this beautiful chandelier hanging from the ceiling. Here we again have an amazing showpiece. This dining table looks very vintage and modern at the same time. Here we have some decorative shelves, and we also have 2 ACs in the living room. Here, if you take a look at the ceilings, these are all very well thought and well planned, I feel. And you know what is the exciting part? When you buy this apartment, you're gonna get everything along with that. Okay, now let me show you some more things that are here in this living room. Here we have a small cabinet storage space. Here is a beautiful showpiece. Along with that, you see we have this beautiful unique style mirror and a dog which unfortunately you won't be getting along with this house. Okay, let's move on. Now let's move on to the kitchen. Here the kitchen has 2 sliding doors. As we enter, we have double door refrigerator. Here we have a chimney and a stove. We also have cabinets and storage space up above there. Here we have good working space for meal preparation. And the dry area is right here. You get an oven, washing machine, and it's spacious. Now let's move on to our bedroom number 1. Now this room has queen sized bed with 2 side tables. Here we have a TV cabinet. Here we have beautiful French window behind the bed. Also we have wall to wall cupboard here, which will allow a lot of your clothes and accessories to fit inside. With this room, we have attached washroom. It's made up of beautiful colors. I really love the neutral beige shade that it has. Now let's move on to our bedroom number 2. Now this bedroom has a single bed. Again, a wall-to-wall cupboard with a lot of storage. These cupboards and the bed and everything will come with the apartment, just not these 2 cupboards. These will be taken by the owner. And here we have a beautiful French window, and because it is east facing, in the morning time the sun rays just enter the room. Now let's move on. I'll show you the common washroom. This is the common washroom, quite hidden I feel. Here again you get all the necessary things. for a bathroom. Let's move on to the other side of this house, the 2 bedrooms which is across the living room. Before going there, I would like to also tell you that there is a TV cabinet, a TV unit in this living room. Also, they have a small space for mandir with a door. Here above, you can see a small little chandelier hanging from the ceiling. As we walk through this passage, on my right side, we have bedroom number 3. This is a master bedroom. And as you enter, you see this king-sized bed is placed on a wooden platform. Above, we have beautiful showcase pieces attached to the wall. Here, we also have a large, full-size mirror. Inside, we have a lot of storage space, wall-to-wall cupboards, a TV unit, and even here, again, we have one more cupboard. On the left hand side, we have beautiful wardrobe with this huge mirror with the LED lights, and even this has more storage inside it. So you can keep your skincare and makeup inside that. Here we have glass cabinet, and inside it you can see a lot of expensive perfumes, but unfortunately you won't be getting that with the apartment. Now let's move on. I'll show you the washroom with a stylish sink, mirror, and a partition for your bathing area. Now let's move on to our last 4th bedroom. As we enter this bedroom, you instantly know that this is room of an artist. Every single thing in this room is very thoughtfully designed. You can see right here we have a single-sized bed with a headboard, which is again very uniquely designed. And here we have a false ceiling along with the yellow lights that kind of give a cozy atmosphere to this room. This room comes along with the AC as well. Here you can see again we have a TV unit. Here we have cabinets, storage space in hexagon shape, and a table for your study or your work. This room features a large full-size triangular mirror and a wall-to-wall white closet with a lot of storage space. And now this room comes along with an attached washroom. As you take a look inside, you can see it is beautifully decorated with hexagon mirror and a beautiful yellow lights on the false ceiling. The asking price for this fully furnished apartment is 6.50 crore. For more details, contact Real Deal Housing. All the property details are given in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.